A rising popularity of electric knife sharpeners reflects a broader shift toward kitchen efficiency and precision. As home cooks and chefs demand sharper, safer blades with less manual effort, these devices offer a fast, reliable solution. This guide evaluates top-rated models based on sharpening technology, abrasiveness, angle precision, versatility, and value. Whether you're restoring a dull blade or maintaining razor-sharp edges, these electric knife sharpeners deliver professional results at home. List none. D. Skyley Professional 3-Stage Electric Knife Sharpener with 100% Diamond Abrasive 20-Degree Edge. The D. Skyley Professional 3-Stage Sharpener offers a complete edge restoration solution at a budget-friendly price. Featuring 100% diamond abrasive wheels, this model efficiently sharpens, hones, and polishes at a precise 20-degree angle. Ideal for most Western-style kitchen knives. The 3-stage system ensures a refined edge with minimal effort. Stage 1 regrinds dull edges, Stage 2 sharpens, and Stage 3 polishes for a razor finish. List number: Chef's Choice 15XV Edge Select Electric Knife Sharpener with 100% diamond abrasives. The Chef's Choice 15XV Edge Select is a premium sharpener that converts 20 degrees factory edges into high-performance 15-degree ultra-sharp edges. Designed with 100% diamond abrasives, it provides fast and precise sharpening across straight and serrated blades. This 3-stage system includes an advanced stropping stage for polishing, delivering a razor-sharp professional finish. What sets it apart is its flexible angle guides. List number: Chef's Choice Electric Knife Sharpener for 15-degree and 20-degree knives, straight and serrated. This Chef's Choice professional sharpener is engineered for versatility, handling both 15-degree Asian-style knives and 20-degree Western blades with ease. Equipped with precisely angled guides and 100% diamond abrasives, it sharpens straight edge and serrated knives in just minutes. The 3-stage system includes coarse sharpening, finer honing, and polishing stropping action for the perfect edge. List number: Chef's Choice 15XV Professional Knife Sharpener with precision angle guides. Sleek and highly efficient, the Chef's Choice 15XV Professional is perfect for transforming traditional 20-degree knives into ultra-sharp 15-degree cutting machines. Designed with precision angle control and diamond-coated discs, this sharpener offers exceptional consistency. Its 3-stage sharpening system restores, hones, and polishes, making it suitable for both straight and serrated blades. List knife: Chef's Choice 15XV Electric Sharpener with durable metal housing. This Chef's Choice 15XV sharpener combines elite sharpening performance with a premium metal body that enhances stability and durability. Designed for users who appreciate professional craftsmanship, it delivers a consistent 15-degree edge using diamond abrasive wheels and precision angle guides. It supports both straight edge and serrated knives with a 3-stage process that sharpens, hones, and polishes